Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete a recipient in TapTap Send application. So the first step that we have to do is tap the TapTap Send app icon on your home screen and complete the login security step. So this guide shows you how to remove a saved contact. So recipient manage is usually located in the profile or settings area of the application. Next is go to the profile or account settings. So tap the profile icon, often the far right icon or the Me tab on the bottom navigation bar. So this screen contains all your personal details, the payment methods, and the recipient lists. Next is to select the recipients or the contacts. So there you will see it and look for the option clearly labeled as recipients or saved contacts and just tap it to view the full list. Next is to select the recipient and find the delete option. So you may need to tap the recipient's name to open their details, or in some applications, just swipe left on the name to reveal a delete button. So just look for an edit or delete button on the recipient's detail screen. And lastly is to confirm the deletion. So the app will ask, are you sure you want to delete this recipient? So just tap on yes, delete to finalize the removal. Now, once deleted, you will have to re-enter all the details if you want to send money to them again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!